Welcome back to another episode of Lolli TV. I'm Elena, and in this episode, we're talking about Bitcoin's big rally, updates on FTX, and everything else you need to know to stay up to date on Bitcoin and crypto. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention we give away free Bitcoin at the end of every episode, so stay tuned for the good stuff. 38%. That's how much Bitcoin's price has rallied since the beginning of the year. Bitcoin's price took off this month, reaching over 23,000, up from just around 16,000 at the end of December. So what, is this the delayed Santa rally or something bigger going on? The recent rally was actually sparked by the release of fresh CPI data, which showed that inflation is slowing more than expected. Slowing inflation means that the Fed may ease up on its habit of raising interest rates all the time. For context, it raised them 7 times in 2022. Stronger macroeconomic conditions in 2023 will be good for the crypto markets because they'll make investors more confident. If inflation keeps slowing, interest rates go down, and money gets cheaper, we may just see this rally turn into a full-fledged bull market. Do you think the crypto rally will stay strong in February? Drop your comments, your predictions below, and let us know. And meanwhile, what's happening in the land of FTX? Well, a bankruptcy attorney for the company reported during a hearing on Wednesday that the fallen exchange had recovered over $5 billion in liquidity, which doesn't include the $425 million in crypto being held by the Bahamian government. As of late December, the company's new leadership said that they could only find just over $1 billion, so I guess they looked between the couch cushions? It's still unclear just how much FTX owes its creditors, but the company's management indicated that it's between $1 and $10 billion. In other news, Coinbase announced this month that it was halting operations in Japan, the third largest economy in the world. Coinbase cited market conditions as the reason for the move and will give customers until February 16th to withdraw their crypto or fiat holdings. And finally, a bankruptcy judge set a rather controversial precedent in January, ruling that the now bankrupt Celsius network owns most of the crypto that customers deposited onto its platform. The ruling will affect roughly 600,000 accounts with assets totaling over $4 billion. Celsius's terms of service allegedly made it very clear that by depositing funds into the site's interest-bearing Earn accounts, the crypto lender gained ownership of the customer funds. That makes Earn account holders unsecured creditors and thereby last in line in the bankruptcy settlement. Now, we're rounding off the news of the segment I like to call What's Weird in Web3, or a better question might be, what isn't weird in Web3? Sam Bankman-Fried launched a Substack this month, which I guess was preferable to an OnlyFans. 3AC founders Suzu and Kyle Davies are launching a new crypto exchange called GTX, yeah, you heard that right, to make money off of bankrupt crypto exchanges. DOJ is coming for a crypto firm called Bitslotto, whose founder was arrested by US authorities last week for money laundering. Binance is also in hot water for facilitating over $346 million in transactions for Bitslotto, which is a bitslot of money. I'm so sorry. I had to do it, guys. That's all for the news. Now onto the good stuff. Congratulations to last month's giveaway winner, Bitman. You now have $50 extra in your Lolli wallet. And finally, for my favorite part of every episode is Meme of the Month. Wall Street Bets, I think, was my favorite meme this month. It's always just so hard, you guys. It kills me to choose. Wealth over the years summarized. 2019, 2020, 2021, 2023 is just lying on eggs. This eggflation debacle is sending me, but I mean, it's on brand for this timeline at this point, so good job, Wall Street Bets. And finally, I'm leaving you with some of my favorite stores where you can earn rewards with Lolli this week. Friendly reminder that Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so make sure that you leave time for shipping deadlines, get everything you need with rewards on Lolli. Get 9% back on beautiful bouquets at Urban Stems, 15% back on ultra cool jewelry she will love at Bobble Bar, and 7.5% back on basically all the other perfect gifts at Bloomingdale's. To enter this month's giveaway, just drop your Sats tag and, in honor of Valentine's Day, what you love about Bitcoin for a chance to win $50 in Bitcoin. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It is always a pleasure. Make sure you are subscribed to Lolli TV to never miss an episode of crypto news, education, and everything in between. I will see you next time, and until then, happy stacking.